Hook Midnight to 015. 80% of videos are created using AI generators in 2024. That's crazy, right? AI is taking over video creation. No more hours of editing. Just minutes, and you're done. Let's dive in. Setup 015 to 1 o'clock. AI is changing everything. Anthropic just kept their latest AI tool private. Why? Fear of hacking. But we've got the top AI video generators. These tools are game changers. Create stunning videos in minutes. No experience needed. Let's get started. 1 to 2:30. Luma creates 4K videos in 5 minutes. Impressive, right? It renders videos in minutes. Imagine you need to create a promo. Instead of 2 hours, Luma does it in 5 minutes. It's free, or $29 a month. Entrepreneurs love it. No editing skills needed. Just select a template, add text, and you're done. Luma is a total time saver. Create videos fast and grow your business. 2:30 to 4 o'clock. Runway automates video editing. It's a total lifesaver. Automate editing and focus on growth. Imagine you need to edit a vlog. Instead of 3 hours, Runway does it in 10 minutes. It's $29 a month. Content creators love it. No more tedious editing. Just upload your footage, and Runway does the rest. Runway is a must-have. Create stunning videos and impress your audience. 4 to 5:30. Make.com creates videos from templates. It's so easy to use. Select a template, add your content, and you're done. Imagine you need to create a social media video. Instead of 1 hour, Make.com does it in 10 minutes. It's free to try. Marketers love it. No coding needed. Just create and share your videos. Make.com is a total game changer. Create videos fast and grow your online presence. 5:30 to 6:30. 11 Labs collaborates on video projects.